A hearty welcome to one and all. I am Rohini Batwal from Google Education Society's JD Civic English Medium High School with 8 standards science subject. And my topic is Introduction to Acids and Base. Can you recall, students? We consume many food items in our daily life. Example, lemon, tamarind, tomato, sugar, vinegar, salt, etc. Do all items taste similar? Second, write the taste of lemon, sugar, curd, lime, baking soda, amla, tamarind, raw mango, pomegranate, water, etc. Let us move towards the first, that is acid. You will notice that some substances have sweet taste, some are bitter, some are astringent. Lemon, tamarind, vinegar or amla like substances acquire sour taste due to the presence of a typical compound in them. Such compounds imparting sour taste are called acids. Acids are soluble in water and they are corrosive in nature. Animals and plants also possess acids in them. Acids present in foodstuffs are called natural acids, or it is also known as carbonic acids. These acids, being weak in nature, are called weak acids. Some acids are strong in nature. They are inflammatory. For example, sulfuric acid H2SO4, hydrochloric acid that is HCl, and nitric acid that is HNO3. These acids are also called mineral acids. The skin gets burned when their concentrated solutions falls on the skin. Similarly, the vapor, if inhaled, can be harmful to health. Strong concentrated acids are converted into their dilute acids by slowly adding them into water. Such dilute acids are less harmful than their corresponding strong acids. Students, if you test dilute solution of baking soda, you will find it astringent, that is bitter. Substances having astringent taste, that is bitter, slippery to touch. Examples are lime water, CaOH2, baking soda, NaHCO3, caustic soda, that is NaOH, or soap are called bases. Bases are completely different from acids. Chemically, they have properties opposite to that of acids. They are also inflammatory to skin in the concentrated form. We know that the distilled water is tasteless. Water is neither acidic nor basic. It means they are neutral. Let us move towards indicator. The substances which are neither acidic nor basic and are chemically inert in nature. Touching or testing of acids or base is very harmful and hence typical indicators are used to recognize them. The substances which change their colors in presence of acid or base are called indicators. Now see, students, there are 4 laboratory indicators are there. They are methyl orange, phenolphthalein, methyl red and litmus paper. Let us see the first, that is litmus paper. Color of the indicator is red. Color in alkali is blue, that is remains same. Second is litmus paper. Color of the indicator is red. Colors in acid, they are red, and color in alkali is blue. Third is methyl orange. Color of the indicator is orange. Color in acid is pink, and color in alkali is yellow. Let us see the phenolphthalein. Color of the indicator is colorless. Color in acid, it is colorless. Color in alkali, it is pink. And the last one is methyl red. color of the indicator is red, color in acid is red, and color in alkali is yellow. Now let us see, students, how to make a natural indicator. Let us see the domestic indicator. On non-availability of laboratory indicator, natural indicators can be made by using several domestic substances. You must have seen yellow food stain turning red after washing with soap. This color change is a result of chemical reaction between turmeric and alkaline material of soap. Here, turmeric acts as an indicator. Natural indicators can also be prepared from red cabbage, radish, tomato, and similarly from hibiscus and rose. Let us move towards the acid. Students, acid is such a substance which gives H plus ions in solution state. Example, HCl dissociates in water solution. That is hydrochloric acid, HCl, it gives rise to hydrogen ions and chloride ions. Let us see examples of some acids. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, nitric acid, HNO3, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, carbonic acid, H2CO3 in cold aerated drinks. Our daily diet contains a few natural acids. They are mild in nature and hence are not harmful like mineral acids. A few substances having natural acids, that is organic, are given in the following table. Let us see the first. Vinegar, it is called acetic acid. Orange, it is known as a citric acid. Tamarind, tartaric acid. Tomato, oxalic acid. Curd, lactic acid, and lemon, citric acids. Let us see the properties of acids. So, acids are Sarin test. Acid molecules contains hydrogen ions, that is H plus ions, as a main constituent. Acid react with metal to form hydrogen gas. Acids react with carbonates and liberates carbon dioxide gas. And the last property of acid is blue litmus turns red in acid. Let us see some uses of acids then. Students, acids are used in the production of chemical fertilizers. Acids are used in the production of explosives, oil purification, medicines, dyes and paints. Hydrochloric acid is used for the preparation of different types of chloride salts. Dilute H2SO4 acid is used in the batteries, that is in the electric cell. Dilute hydrochloric acid is used for sterilization of water. And the last use of acid is used for making of white paper from wood pulp. Let us move towards the alkalis, that is base. Alkali is a substance whose water solution gives rise to OH minus ions. Example, NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, it gives rise to sodium ions, and hydroxide ion, that is NaOH, it gives rise to Na plus OH minus. Let us see the properties of alkalis. Alkalis are, alkali has bitter taste, they are slippery. Alkali contains OH minus as the main constituent, and the last property of alkali is metal oxides are generally alkaline in nature. Let us see table, that is formula of alkali and their uses. The first is sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda, and the formula is NaOH and it is used as a washing soap. Second is potassium hydroxide, that is potash, formula is KOH and it is used in soap and shampoo. Calcium hydroxide, that is lime water, formula is CaOH2 and the use in lime or whitewashing. Fourth is magnesium hydroxide, that is milk of magnesia. Formula is magnesium, that is MgOH2, and used in acidity resistant medicines. Ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH, and they are used for the production of fertilizers. And the last topic is neutralization. We have seen, students, that acid contain H plus, that is hydrogen ions, and alkali contains OH minus hydroxide ions. Salt and water are formed by a combination of acid and alkali. HCl, that is acid, plus NaOH, that is base, it gives rise to salt, that is NaCl, plus water, that is H2O. This chemical reaction is called neutralization. Do you know, students? Hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach. It helps to ease digestion process. However, excessive acid leads to indigestion. Antacids are used to control this hyperacidity. These medicines contain milk of magnesia, that is MgOH2. Such alkaline medicines neutralizes excess acid present in stomach. The acidity of soil increases due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Under the guidance of agriculturists, limestone or lime water is mixed in the acidic soil. Such alkaline substances neutralizes excess acid present in the soil. Here we have finished this lesson. Students,